Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add image inside text PowerPoint. To start, open PowerPoint. Here, click on Layout and select the blank option. After that, from the drawing menu, click on the text box. You are going to enter the desired text and then adjust its properties as you consider at the level of font size, color, font, etc. When you have the text in the desired style, you are going to click on Insert, and from Pictures, click on this device. You are going to select the image and then click Insert. When you do, adjust the image so that it covers the text. Now, select the entire context so that it encompasses the image and text on the slide. After that, in the Shape Format menu, click on the option Merge Shapes, select Intersect. You can see that the image has been added to the text in PowerPoint. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.